We all know manager's commission, interest on loan, and rent paid to a partner will be considered as charge against profit, and that will be deducted from the net profit to calculate the actual net profit, and it will be debited to profit and loss account. So let us take an example and understand this. A and B are two partners sharing profit and losses equally. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 is 40,000. C granted a loan of rupees 50,000 to the firm, and interest on loan at the rate of 10% will be paid on loan. Interest on capital rupees 5,000, salary rupees 20,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019. So, we'll start the question. First, since the profit and loss appropriation account is prepared for the year ended 31st March 2019. Now, what I said is, interest on loan is a charge against profit, so it will be deducted from the net profit, and then after deducting, we'll do the other adjustment. So, first we write down the actual profit, that is by profit and loss account and net profit. What it is given? 40,000. And what I said, interest on loan is a charge against profit. So, first it will be deducted. What will be the amount of interest on loan? 50,000, 10%. That is 5,000. First it will be deducted. So, the amount will be 35,000. But if it would have been net loss for the year ended 31st March 2019, then we would have written this on the debit side to profit and loss account net profit. 40,000 is a negative figure, and after that deducting 5,000 will, then our figure would have been 45,000. Since minus 40,000 and that is 5,000 is also deducted. So, the resulting figure would have been 45,000 with the name net loss. And after that, we would have done the question in the similar way. Now, we have deducted those items, that is, we have deducted net loss or net profit, interest on loan from net profit or net loss. After doing that, we have to adjust other items. The other items are interest on capital rupees 5,000. We'll write it down here. Interest on capital rupees 5,000. Next, salary 20,000. Salary rupees 20,000. Next, there is no other item. Then we'll calculate the profit to profit transferred to. What it means? There are two partners, A and B. Capital or current account. The total amount this side is 35,000 and this side is 25,000. So, our profit would have been rupees 10,000. Now, among that 10,000, A shares and B share is profit and losses equally. So, it will be 5,000 and 5,000. In this way, we will be solving the questions related to charge against profit. Interest on loan will be deducted here. Manager's commission will be deducted here, and rent paid to the partner. Let's say there are two partners, A and B, rent paid to both the partners is 5,000 and 5,000. Then total 10,000 will be deducted. If it is given rent paid to the partner is 1,000 per month, rent paid to each partner is 1,000 per month. Then first we'll calculate the total rent. What will be the total rent? 1,000 per partner and per month, that is 1,000 into 12, one partner 12,000 and the other partner next 12,000. So the total rent paid to a partner 24,000 would have been deducted here. In this way, we will be solving the questions related to charge against profit.